Hello friends, today I'm doing VM of order that I lately got. So these are two hoodies, and this is Victoria's Secret pink and it's crew neck hoodie. So this one is a nice color, orange one. Actually the color is called cantaloupe something, and it's in size large, and it has here pink large, and it this looking like so. Here it has peace sign. It reminds me of some sport hoodies like Nike or Champion, and here it has P on the sleeves, and sleeves ends with this scrunchie. I mean this material that extends, and also it has this material on side. And this hoodie is made from thick cotton or fleece, and on the inside it has nice fleece here, and also it's nice. Oh, forgot to say that this pink is a little like used pink color, because it's like washed out style. So I'm gonna try it on. So on me it looks like so. This is how it looks like. And another one is this one from Victoria's Secret, the same crew hoodie, but it's in size medium and in pink color, flawless pink. So it's really nice and cute. As you can see, it is made from that fleece that is a little bit washed, which I really like. This wash, it looks like it's a little washed. I mean, sleeves looks like so, and it has that P letter right here, and in front it has also P. This one I've got in size medium, because I think maybe medium will fit me better. I don't know if I give an orange one because it's a little bit loose. So I try it on this one, and it's it's made of 86 cotton and 14 polyester. So it has that ribbon material here, and this here, and here long scrunchy material, a ribbed one. So I try it on. I really love this color, and it matches my pink nails that need to be redone. So this one fits better, as you can see. I like the sleeves. Yeah, I think I will keep it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.